Weather conditions. Come on, name something that keeps you warm at night. Blanket. Spouse. Siyempre yung aking asawa, di ba? Spouse natin. Other person. Kids. Ay! Hindi ba nagpapainit yung mga kids? Heater. Okay, got it. What else? What else? Nagpapainit sa ating ulo. Bed itself. I don't know. Oh my God, pajamas, socks, pet. Kailan kaya mabukas tong messenger ko?